Good morning, this is Clay Trader. Labor Day weekend is now over, so things in the market should start to pick up. Market opens up here in less than a minute, and what I'm going to do here is just try to capture some of my live trades if you're new to watching these, and we'll see how things unfold. I will keep you updated. Going for some shares here at 37.60, and there we go. I am in, and it's pulling back some more, which is fine. We'll look to try to sell those at 37.70. I should be looking to buy some more instead of talking here. So I'm going to look to try to pick up some more at 37.20. So let's see if it can pull back there. So you can see it's bouncing. I'm looking to get out at 37.70. So we'll see if it can get up there or not. I will keep you updated here. Okay, looking like my 37.20s have a chance of getting hit. Or maybe not. Things are kind of slowing down a little bit. I will keep you posted. Okay, my order is up on the best ask right now. So there I am out for $50. Would have been nice if I could have gotten, and now you can see the bounce just continues. Would have been beautiful if I could have gotten those 37.20s too, and then been able to still have 500 shares left for this additional move upwards, but it didn't work out. So let's see if I can catch some more trades. Okay, going for some shares here at 31.75. Just 100. Reason for that is this is a very volatile stock. It can move very quickly. So I don't want to go in too big too soon. There's the break of 32. So let's see if it can get down to 31.75. You know, if it wants to give me a quick 20-cent move, I'll take a very fast $20. But I would like to build up a bigger position. However, you know, that's why I'm only starting with 100 shares, just because you know, you need to manage risk from the get-go in terms of position sizing. So you know, I don't want to go in there right away with 500 shares or 1,000 shares. You know, so I'm taking that into account, but I don't know if that order will get hit. Looking like it's already wanting to try to bounce right now, but that is where a current order is residing. I will keep on searching and keep you posted. Going for some shares here short at 55.59 on SPLK. Chart getting very overextended, especially if you were to look at the 5-minute. Bring that across real quick. You can see here, I mean, just green candle after green candle. There's got to be some sort of pullback coming. So I'm going to look for an initial entry again at 55.59. I will keep you updated. Okay, I actually changed it to 55.69 and I'm now in. And we'll look to cover at 55.58 or build a bigger position. Really like how this one's getting just that much more overextended. So let's see how it goes here. There's my order right there. You can see it highlighted there. 55.58. I'm using ARCA, 300 shares. So let's see. I'd like for this to just get that much more overextended. Do another 300 up right at 55.99. Try to cut in front of the round number of 56. I will keep you updated. Okay, got shares at 55.98 and have shares at, I was trying to get some at 15, so let me get, there we go. So now looking for some at 15. See if I can get those. But right now my average is 55.84. So if this rolls over, I could be looking at a nice little payday here. Five-minute chart is just that much more overextended. So I'll keep you posted on it. All right, I'm probably going to get stopped out here, and there it is. You know, I built the position. I got up to 600. I'm not sure. I can't remember if you saw those other ones. But then it just consolidated. I got a couple nice candles, but just refused to roll back over for me. So if it had rolled over, like I said, it would have been a nice little payday, but it didn't. So I ended up just taking a $200 loss on it. So yeah, I was risking right around 200, but like I said, had it rolled over, you know, I could have made much more than $200 on the trade. You know, it was one of those things where I could have built up a little bit bigger position here, But like I said, I was just showing strength, and these candles here, it broke through, and maybe it'll finally roll over here, and maybe I got stopped out just before the big move happened, but that's how things sometimes occur. So now I'm down 150 on the day. Let's see if I can find some trades to make that up. Going for some shares here. There we go. Got some shares, just 100 at 22.35, and I'm going to look to build a position here as the chart is quite overextended. So I'm going to go for another 200 up there at 222.75, see if I can get those. So let's see what happens. Now it's pulling. Okay, and I'm out, so just made $30 there. I would like to start to restart again though, so 22.69. So we'll just start over again if it wants to get up there, and I'll start building. As if it goes up and hits that again, that will be back to being overextended. So I'll continue to look for some trades. Well, I screwed that one up. Bought Tesla on the break. Well, bought it at 278.67, and then was looking for this current move, and it's happening. Looking like I sold a little too soon, so made another $46 on that. So let's see what else I can find. Of course, remember, you're pretty much always wrong in hindsight, so that's what I'm doing to myself here. But let's see if I can find some more. Quick little update on the one I took a loss on. You can see there, typical. Did it just before it finally did roll back over. I had an average of 56 or 55.80 something, and it made a 40-cent move from there on down. So that would have been a nice, sweet little payday. However, it's bounced back up. So that's just how it goes sometimes. Got stopped out, took the loss, and then the move that I was hoping for happened. But that's just how it goes. And while a lot of traders may not show you that, because they want trading to come across as rainbows and butterflies and all that. That's just the reality of the situation. So I'm going to keep looking. Let's see if I can get at least back to break even for the morning. Well, I picked up some shares of USU at 525. You can see the volume just came in, but it has just fallen off of a cliff. So right now I'm trying to get out just at break even. And like I said, I want stocks with volume, and this, just absolutely, like I said, nice big volume, and then has just completely dried up. So only 300 shares, so it's not like I'm, was taking a huge risk to get at the beginning. But this one can really move. So 300 shares, believe it or not, can could have resulted in a decent sized move. But now I'm looking, I may just dump on the bid now. Like I said, worth taking the shot, but you can see it's just not working out. All right, well, I'm just going to wrap things up. Down 119 with commissions, probably like 130. So not the best way to come back from Labor Day, but it is, let's see, 10:45. So still plenty of time left in the day to make things up. I'm going to post just a minute. Okay, this one came across the scanner real quick, so I wanted to check it out. But regardless, traders have losing mornings, despite what other traders on YouTube or across the internet wanna reveal. Everybody has losing mornings, and while some aren't always as straightforward as others, it's one of those things where I think this video will go a long way to just show that sometimes it's sloppy, sometimes it's just not the most attractive thing. But that's how it works. And SPLK, this one, if I hadn't cut those losses, sure, I would have, made a nice little score. But, that's just how hindsight works. So it is what it is. If you want to learn how to trade like this, and that may sound funny after you saw me lose money, but, if you want to learn how to trade in a disciplined, non-emotional fashion, then technical analysis and charts is a great way to do that. And, candlestick charts, that's what you see over here. And whether or not you're looking to day trade like I am, you could be a swing trader. That's the great thing about charts. They pertain to all strategies. Go to claytrader.com, check out the training section, offer multiple courses on that. Also have a private trading group where there's a chat room. I send out a weekly newsletter. Everything very fairly priced, but don't take my word for it. I'll be the first to admit I am biased. But read some of the testimonials. Those are all third-party, unsolicited testimonials. So check those out and get a good third-party perspective on things. Thanks for watching, and remember, this is how trading goes. Sometimes you're going to have rough mornings like this, but the good thing is, keeping things small, and $120 loss, 130, that is small. That's nothing that can't be overcome, in the next 4 or 5 hours. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something.